Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link or move a task to another list in ClickUp quickly and correctly. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace, managing multiple projects, or you simply want better control over where your tasks live, this clear step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official ClickUp website. Once you're there, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and sign in using your Google account or your email and password. Just make sure you choose the account connected to your ClickUp workspace so everything loads properly. After logging in, you'll land inside your ClickUp workspace. From here, navigate through your spaces, folders, or lists to find the task you want to move. Once you locate the task, click on it to open the task details. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct task so nothing gets moved by mistake. Next, look toward the top right area of the task window and find the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down list, select the option labeled Move. This is the key feature that allows you to transfer tasks between different lists in your workspace. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the destination list already exists, confirm you have permission to move tasks, and double-check the list name before selecting it. These small checks can save time and prevent confusion later on. Once the Move menu opens, you'll see all available lists within your workspace. Simply click on the list where you want the task to go. After that, ClickUp will automatically move the task to the selected list without interrupting your workflow. It's also a good idea to open the new list and confirm the task appears exactly where you want it. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to move and organize tasks across different lists in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?